Hi, welcome in. Today I want to start a series called Heroes Quick Tips, which is where I share little things I'm figuring out along the way as a brand new streamer and creator so you don't have to struggle. Today I'm showing you how to either split screen in your timeline or consolidate screens in your timeline when using DaVinci Resolve. I'm using DaVinci Resolve as I'm editing YouTube videos, clips, and things like that. If this helps you, drop a like and subscribe for more quick streamer tips along the way. I'm going to try and do a few of these every week or so. And also, let me know what you guys are struggling with as brand new creators. So, there's also going to be another one that I post here soon about setting up audio for OBS and things like that. So, stay tuned for more. Let's get right into it. If you are just wanting to either split your screen here on your timeline, so if you're down here, you can click here for your timeline, and then you'll have a screen here and a screen here. Let's say you don't want that second screen. All you have to do is come up here to the top right corner where it says single viewer mode and click this, and you'll have one screen. Also, you can do that same thing here if you go up to workspace, go to single viewer mode, and you can click that. You can also click it to bring the two screens back. Same thing here. And that's it. I know it's super simple, but it took me a minute to figure that out as I'm just learning DaVinci Resolve myself. So I hope this helps you. Stick around for more later and let me know if there's anything else I can help you guys with. I'm here to help and support as much as I can and share the info as I'm learning and growing myself. So I'll see you in the next one.